Hello dear students, this is Mrunal Malve from Prabhat Kids School. Dear students, we celebrate different days and different occasions like World Food Day, Labor Day, Mother's Day, World Book Day and so on. But do you know we also celebrate our planet's day as Earth's Day. And when we celebrate, do you know? We celebrate it on 22nd of April every year. Dear children, we love our earth. Yes, it has been home to all living species. So, it is called the only life planet. We often see garbage littered on street. It's very unhealthy. And throwing garbage on street and making it untidy is not an offense against our Mother Earth. We see pollution, but still we could not put check on it. And ultimately, who is going to check it? It's we, each one of us. In the present poem, What Can You Do? The poet tells us about what we should do to protect our Mother Earth. The poem tells that our Mother Earth is in need of care. It is very much polluted. It tells us that every one of us can protect our Mother Earth. When you see litter in the streets and the air smells of pollution, when you feel like it's all piling up, remember there is a solution. In the first stanza, the poet says that when we see garbage littered in streets or feel pollution in air, and in disgust we say it just goes on increasing, think twice, for every problem has a solution. Here, piling up means gathering in a pile or accumulating. The poet positively thinks that the picture of Mother Earth could be changed. Our Mother Earth could once again be clean and green. In the second stanza, the poet says that each one of us can do something to keep our rivers clean. Dear students, what we can do to keep our river clean? Yes, we should not throw garbage in rivers. We should avoid throwing nirmalya in river. We could persuade industrialists not to outlet chemicals into rivers. Again, we can do something to keep our air clean. We could minimize pollution. We could opt for green energy. Use public transport and of course plant trees. So the poet says that there's something each of us can do to keep the rivers clean, to keep fresh the air we breathe, and keep the forests green. Help clean a beach or recycle bottles and cans. Learn about the problems we face and help others understand. Again, seashores are also not clean. The poet says that we should do something to make our beach clean. For the purpose, we could recycle bottles, cans, and other plastic materials thrown on the beach. But this initiative is not possible unless we know the problems. It is properly said. Unless we know the problem, how we could get to its solution? So, the poet says that we should learn about the problems caused by pollution and educate people about them. It doesn't have to be a lot. If we each just do our share. So take time out on Earth Day to show the earth you care. The poet says that the work is very big, but if we take our share, it would not appear big. So, the poet urges people to take out some time to show that you care about earth. That's the poet wants to say, that we should plant trees, keep our surrounding green, and avoid everything that harms nature. If we do take our share, the earth will again be clean and green. In the poem, there is rhyme scheme. In 3 stanzas, the second line rhymes with the fourth line. Let's see. In the first stanza, the words pollution and solution rhyme. In the second stanza, the words clean and green rhyme. And in the last stanza, the words share and care rhyme. So, rhyming scheme is A, B, C, B. In this poem, a special figure of speech, assonance, is used. In this figure of speech, vowel sound is repeated and not the letters. For example, when you see litter in the streets. Here, the short vowel I and long vowel E are repeated to create musical effect. Dear students, now you have to read the poem and understand its significance. Thank you. Have a nice day.